Abel finally decided he's gonna step up to the plate and try it like a big boy. You like it?
Yep. Oh god, yeah.
Abel and I are cooking some food while watching flare fishing.
Well, I think we're gonna
Cross section.
Guys, we are going to trap this muskrat.
Yeah, so we got that destructive muskrat. We can't seem to catch him very effectively with the gun, so we're setting a floating trap. I've never done this before. This isn't probably the best way of doing it, but we're gonna start with this and we'll step up our game as needed. And I've got a couple traps on a floating log. Right, we just got our magnet for an anchor, and we're just gonna go pop that out in the middle of the pond over here. And they say that these muskrats look for high ground, so we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna put a little bit of peanut butter, maybe a couple carrots on this platform as well, just to see if that'll help us out. This real quick, I'm kind of anchoring these traps down. I'll do this one, Abel. It's kind of hard.
Okay.
Stick, let's show them what's gonna happen. Hi guys, real quick, I don't want to take up any more of your time, but reasons you want to trap these muskrats is because they burrow holes in the side of the pond, which then makes your pond not be able to fill up the way that it's supposed to. My pond has been dropping levels because of muskrat tunnels that they're burrowing, so they're basically a nuisance animal on my property, and that's why you may want to trap them as well. Chop my finger off. Hopefully not. This thing needs to really be worked. This is a hair trigger. That trap's done. Something's wrong with that. I don't know. Yeah, that trap's not gonna work.
We have a big muskrat in our pond. We're gonna catch it with this thing. You know this, guys. You know this. See, this is a floating log. So we have to catch this muskrat.
This trap doesn't have a spot to.
We can't bring this thing.
Careful.
I'm gonna use this big stick, and I'm gonna check it.
Good job. So we're just gonna use some peanut butter. I know. Oh, I know. The stuff he would do it too. All right, put it on both sides of the trap. We're trying to get it set up for that muskrat. Yeah. Good job. Now the other side, this trap. That's why we gotta sink it out in the middle. Good job. Get out in the canoe and we'll go set this thing. I know, we're just gonna have to risk it. We're gonna grab these weeds so we can cover up our trap. Abel's holding the boat. This boat's got a big leak in it, so we gotta go quick.
It's gonna be sketchy.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
There we go.
Guys, we're going to trap this muskrat. That was Morgan.
That's right. Because it's a real pain. All right. This is crazy. Okay, I'm setting this trap. This is hard as hell. I'm gonna probably snap my fingies real bad. This is the hardest I've ever had to set a trap.
Morgan, the wind's blowing, guys.
Hey.
The wind's blowing.
Yeah, I know. I got one. Trap number 2.
Right, we are going to trap this big muskrat. Gonna strive.
You-
Trip on the big button.
I'll tell you what, bring me the camera, please.
Right.
I'm gonna have you do the grass. Oh, shoot, that was difficult. Thank you for doing the camera, that's awesome. Okay, so we're gonna put grass over them, just like that. Shoot. I don't know how this is gonna work. Now I'm gonna throw this grass over it. This should kind of attract him, apparently. I don't want to put it really over the trap, because if you put it over that, then it probably will screw it up. So we're just gonna kind of leave it just like that. That looks pretty good. And let's give you guys a little underwater view. That's the muskrat view going to get caught. We're pooped. Anyways, the trap's way out there. It actually looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like a little island, so hopefully by either tonight or tomorrow we'll have him, and try to remember to bring the camera out. All right, I'm Morgan. This is Abel. We're gonna get on that boat and we're gonna check the muskrat trap that we set 6 days ago. So it's been 6 days. I saw one of the traps was set, but it doesn't look like, I don't know if anything's in there. Let's check out what we got.
Get out there.
Let's get out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a picture in here of what a muskrat looks like. I've trapped them before out of my pond using other methods, conibear traps, which is effective if you can see the trails where they're coming in and out. Unfortunately, on this one, I couldn't see the trails, so we set the floating log trap is what they call it, even though I used a board. And ooh, I don't know what we got here. There's a foot in there, isn't there? Looks like he may have chewed himself out. Let's get this thing to the bank. Hey, careful, that's a live trap. Keep your finger away from there. Can you grab onto that tree back there and pull us in? Go ahead and set this trap off so no one else gets hurt. Yeah, it worked good. Go, 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 go. Jump. Good job.
Trap onto the left.
Okay. Good job.
Here,
Get this. What do we have here? Well, we got ourselves a muskrat foot. This is what can happen, guys. So we caught this guy and he chewed himself out. The design, I was hoping that he'd wiggle the trap off and drown himself, so it was a better kill. But what actually happened is he got himself trapped. That's not what we wanted to have happen, but that happens. Can you open that and grab that foot out of there? Yeah, it's definitely a muskrat foot. I bleed out. It's unfortunate, but that's what happened, and we got him. So good job, Abel. Unfortunately, it wasn't a nice, humane kill, what we wanted, but that's how you set a muskrat log trap. You want to try to set it to where they'll knock it off and fall in the water and drown, so it's a quick kill. See ya. Don't do it out here. Go in the toilet.
see you, guys.
All right. I'm gonna clean this up, but that's an effective way to to trap these muskrats when you got pets in the area, and you can buy those traps on Amazon or whatnot. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Morgan's World. It took 6 days, which is a little longer than I was hoping, but it's done. Bud, go, go, go. Don't shit your pants. Well, don't poop your pants. Abel, what are you doing? What happened? So I'll translate. Abel tried to make it to the bathroom, but on accident he shit his pants, so he's washing them off in the creek. I mean, he managed to crap in the toilet most of the way, but